This is ANN News Brief.
World Health Organization says more than 6,000 persons have died in the Democratic Republic of the Congo, DRC, in what it calls the largest and worst measles epidemic. WHO is now seeking more funds to stop the outbreak. Last year, more than 18 million children under 5 years old across the country were vaccinated against the disease. In some areas, routine vaccination coverage remains low, and a quarter of the reported measles cases are in children over than 5, who are the most vulnerable. Since the start of 2019, at least 300,000 suspected measles cases have been reported. The epidemic has been aggravated by many factors, including low vaccination coverage among vulnerable communities. Last month, the WHO trained 60 Ministry of Health professionals to conduct a range of services, including community engagement, health education, and surveillance. A United Nations envoy says the Sahel region has experienced a devastating surge in terrorist attacks against civilian and military targets in recent months. The region's UN diplomat Mohamed Eben Chambers made the comment when he was addressing the UN Security Council on Wednesday. He said attacks have increased fivefold in Mali, Burkina Faso, and Niger since 2016. He also said the unprecedented terrorist violence had shaken public confidence in the region. More than 4,000 deaths were reported in 2019, compared with an estimated 770 deaths in the previous 3 years. The UN outlined the most recent attacks, where 5 soldiers were killed in a roadside bomb in Alatona, central Mali, 14 persons killed in a roadside bomb in Burkina Faso on Saturday, and on December the 24th, 35 civilians were killed in an attack on a military outpost in Somme, northern Burkina Faso. We'll be right back. We are on the road every day, canvassing throughout Africa for news you really need. We follow this story everywhere, from every corner of Nigeria to the wide African expanse. We bring you what's making headlines. We connect you with news you can use. ANN, African News Network, in a truly African spirit. Kenya has imposed a curfew in Lamu 3 days after militant group Al-shabaab stormed airfield military base, killing 3 Americans and destroying vehicles and aircraft. The indefinite curfew begins daily from 10 p.m. to 4 a.m. local time to help security agencies monitor suspicious activity. County police official Muchangi Kaye is quoted as saying no vehicles will be allowed to operate during the curfew and that police will conduct security searches on vehicles during the day. Lamu coastal region is close to the Somali border, where Al-shabaab has been fighting the UN-backed government. Residents are reported to have fled villages located near the base out of fear of more attacks. That is ANN News Brief at 11. For details on these and other breaking stories, visit our website, annafrica.news. Conversation continues on our social media platforms, Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook at ANN Africa TV. I am Lucy Adeyemi.